Welcome to the DHA Lahore online auction portal. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to register as a user and start exploring premium properties available for online auction. On the main landing page, click Register Now. Enter your full name, email address, phone number with country code, and your 13-digit CNIC or NAICOP number. If you are an overseas Pakistani, make sure to tick the box. Click Next to continue. Secure your account. Create a strong password, confirm it, and complete the security check. Click Create Account. Verify your account. An OTP one-time password will be sent to your registered email and mobile number. Enter the OTP to verify your account. You're now successfully registered. Log in to access your personalized user dashboard, where you can use interactive map and price range filters to find the perfect property. Browse exclusive residential and commercial plots. Explore premium apartments. Start your journey today with the DHA Lahore auction portal, where premium opportunities meet trusted digital convenience.